Hey there! Welcome to our video on ways for 18 and under to make money online. Are you tired of being broke and dependent on your allowance or your parents' money? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you some ways to earn some cash from the comfort of your own home using the internet. First of all, let's get one thing straight. Just because you're under 18 doesn't mean you can't make money online. In fact, there are many opportunities out there for young people like you. And the best part is, you don't need any experience or a huge investment to start earning. One way to make money online as a teenager is through online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion on their products and services. All you have to do is sign up for survey websites, complete the surveys, and get paid in cash or gift cards. Online surveys are a great way to earn some extra cash because they're easy to complete and you don't need any special skills or qualifications. All you need is one of the most popular survey sites for teenagers is SurveyJunkie. They offer a wide range of surveys on various topics, from consumer products to politics, and you can earn points for each survey you complete. These points can then be redeemed for cash or gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon and Target. Another great survey site for teenagers is Swagbucks. They offer a variety of ways to earn money, including surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. You can earn points for each task you complete, and these points can be redeemed for cash or gift cards from popular retailers. Toluna is another popular survey website which pays you for sharing your opinion on various products, services, and current events. It also offers a referral program where you can invite your friends and earn more points. Inbox Dollars is another website that pays you to take surveys, watch videos, and play games. You can earn cash and gift cards for completing various tasks. Keep in mind that survey sites usually have a minimum payout threshold, which means you need to earn a certain amount of money before you can cash out. However, once you reach this threshold, the money is usually credited to your account within a few days. In conclusion, online surveys are a great way for teenagers to make money online. They're easy to complete, and you can earn cash or gift cards for your opinions. So, sign up for a few survey sites and start earning money today. Remember, every little bit helps, and it's a great way to learn how to manage your own finances. Another great way for teenagers to make money online is by starting their own blog or website. Blogging is a great way to share your passions and interests with the world, and it can also be a great source of income. To start a blog or website, you'll need to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that you think others will be interested in. It can be anything from fashion and beauty to gaming and technology. Once you've chosen a topic, you'll need to choose a platform to build your blog or website on. There are many free and paid options available, such as WordPress, Blogger, and Squarespace. Once your blog or website is up and running, you can start monetizing it through advertising and affiliate marketing. Advertising is a great way to earn money by displaying ads on your site. You can sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense or Media.net, and they will place ads on your site and pay you for each click or impression. Affiliate marketing is another great way to monetize your blog or website. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. This can be a great way to earn money if you're passionate about a particular product or service. It's important to note that it does take time and effort to build up your blog or website and start earning money through advertising and affiliate marketing. But, once your blog or website starts getting a steady stream of visitors, the potential for income is limitless. In conclusion, starting a blog or website can be a great way for teenagers to make money online. It's a great way to share your passions and interests with the world and also earn money through advertising and affiliate marketing. It may take time and effort, but it can be a great way to make money in the long run. So, if you're passionate about something and have a desire to share it with the world, why not start your own blog or website today? Another great way for teenagers to make money online is by starting their own YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms on the internet, and it's a great way to share your creativity and talents with the world. To start your own YouTube channel, you'll need to create a Google account and then sign in to YouTube. Once you're signed in, you can create a channel by clicking on the My Channel button. Once you've created your channel, you can start uploading videos. When it comes to what kind of videos you should make, the possibilities are endless. You can make videos on anything that interests you and that you think others will be interested in. Some popular topics for teenagers include makeup and beauty, fashion, cooking, and video games. Once you start getting views and subscribers, you can monetize your channel through ads and sponsored content. YouTube has a program called YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to make money from ads that are displayed on your videos. You'll also have the opportunity to monetize your channel through sponsored content and collaborations with brands. It's important to keep in mind that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. It can take months or even years to grow a sizable audience and start earning significant income. But, with persistence and hard work, you can turn your passion into a career. In conclusion, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way for teenagers to make money online. Another way for teenagers to make money online is by working as a freelancer on gig economy platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit. These platforms allow you to offer a wide range of services to people looking for help with their business or personal projects. Fiverr is a platform that allows you to offer various services such as graphic design, writing, voiceovers, video editing, and more. You can create a profile and list your services, and customers can browse and hire you for their projects. It's a great platform for teenagers who have skills in creative areas like graphic design, writing, or voiceovers. Upwork is another platform that allows you to offer a wide range of services such as graphic design, writing, data entry, virtual assistants, and more. You can create a profile and list your services, and customers can browse and hire you for their projects. Upwork is a great platform for teenagers who have skills in areas like graphic design, writing, data entry, and virtual assistants. TaskRabbit is a platform that allows you to offer services like cleaning, handyman services, moving, delivery, and more. You can create a profile and list your services, and customers can browse and hire you for their projects. TaskRabbit is a great platform for teenagers who have skills in areas like cleaning, handyman services, and delivery. It's important to keep in mind that working as a freelancer on these platforms takes time and effort to build up a reputation and client base. You'll need to be reliable and produce quality work to get hired and get repeat business. However, once you establish yourself on these platforms, you can earn a decent income as a teenager. In conclusion, working as a freelancer on gig economy platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit can be a great way for teenagers to make money online. These platforms allow you to offer a wide range of services to people looking for help with their business or personal projects. It may take time and effort, but with hard work and persistence, you can turn your skills into a career. So, if you have some skills that you think others would be willing to pay for, why not try working as a freelancer on these platforms today? Another way for teenagers to make money online is by selling items they no longer need or want on online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. These marketplaces provide a platform for individuals to sell their items to a large audience and make money from it. Amazon is one of the largest online marketplaces in the world, and it's a great platform for teenagers to sell their items. You can sell anything from clothing and accessories to electronics and toys. You can set up your own Amazon store and list your items for sale. Amazon also offers a fulfillment service where they will store, pack, and ship the items for you. eBay is another popular online marketplace where you can sell almost anything. It's a great platform for teenagers to sell their items. You can set up your own eBay store and list your items for sale. You can also sell items as an individual seller and reach a large audience. Etsy is an online marketplace that specializes in handmade and vintage items. It's a great platform for teenagers who are creative and want to sell their handmade items. You can set up your own Etsy store and list your items for sale. It's important to keep in mind that selling items on these marketplaces takes time and effort. You'll need to take good quality pictures, write detailed descriptions, and set a competitive price for your items in order to attract buyers. Additionally, you'll need to handle customer service and shipping, so it's important to be organized and reliable. However, Once you establish yourself on these marketplaces, you can earn a decent income by selling items you no longer need or want. In conclusion, selling items on online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, or Etsy can be a great way for teenagers to make money online. These platforms provide a great opportunity for individuals to reach a large audience and make money from selling items they no longer need or want. It may take time and effort, but with hard work and persistence, you can turn it into a profitable business. So, if you have items you no longer need or want, why not try selling them on these online marketplaces today? In conclusion, there are many ways for 18 and under to make money online. It just takes a little bit of effort and determination. So, go out there and start earning today. Remember, age is just a number and you are never too young to start making your own money.